Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. PG News Debate. Number 13 day for number 10 moon 2018. We go surely turn back for talk as we vote it be happen. We go just look at some of the places where it be make plenty people there for open their eye as we vote for Genyon Kunkuma pass. We go talk to this palaver fake people them for Transparency International where they talk say they can look vote. Then we go enter to for inside our quarter for see as we country they happen for quarter. Plus Ndongamen for prepare for all Anglophone conference. Sabi say another prepare meeting it be happen for inside Douala here. And the BB question, even as we Christian Cardinal Tumi don't talk say that Ndongamen it must to pass for Boya 21-22 day inside November moon. We never so fit for talk, but they already talk about money. Around 32 million, now where they go use them for see as well in Ndongamen. A pass fine. Inside Tori House for this afternoon, we get Oga Etue Smith, where it with we. Oga Smith, thank you plenty for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador.
All right, another person too will get them for him. Now Oga Eric. Eric, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ambassador. I want great people the way they should on for TV. Take time for looking now also.
All right, so now with two people then that's where we'll go talk with them for this side. So for Pidgin debate for this Saturday, 13 day, number 10 moon, 2018. Quick, before we even get for enter for inside Tori, as well Sabim, for this side, so for Besenge, one person he died this morning time. We go so turn for see way to a pass for that side for Besenge, just so we can for Giona the better Tori and the two way really pass for Besenge before one person he die. Sabi say police themselves, they be day for see as well they go make peace. We go talk that one, time we'll go meet up for here for Monday. But for Tori for this afternoon, we go start now with this palaver for vote. We go take una go for day for vote for Boya. Yes, we go take una go for day for vote for Boya for talk this palaver for vote in the proper. Sabi say for that side for Boya, we the talk for Sika say be then a special one as we plenty people that we don't check say vote it no go fit for pass for Boya. But true vote it be pass. Yes, it pass for some kind of way. But now town this for Boya Sunday number 7 day we vote it be get for pass mountain. If asa moto sesep e be define mountain clear people they be the see place now only moto them for K2 they be the tonton for inside town as well we say make we enter for town for Siam. No one eye man we no be see and say for road for that side so for inside Boya. Place where they vote now for high court side this will be for appeals court will enter for day we see as we ought in if we don't prepare but one of the mistake where people they talk na the paper for Akeremuna where they be so see am for all corner. Some people they will make work cover their face. No ask me why they cover their face. Whether I say they don't want to make people they see them that one I no be fit for Sabi but Sabi say ought in it be prepare for time for that side so for appeals court for inside Boyam. Now for the way they serve so we Oga governor it be go vote. After we finish enter for inside that place for see as we place it dey prepare one the way they hide their face for work. Sabi say e no overtake time. Governor sesep it be land for that place for see as we vote it go happen. Yes, now court of appeal that as we turn am now for the way they so vote it be pass for Boyam inside that side for Boya. Sabi say one it be get for be for my 16, the one for my 16 for Sika Gonwe hala for day. It dey like say they no vote. Even for Moya side, it dey like say they no be vote. Sabi say Dio sesep they be shoot hand for Dio for that side for Moya according to Tori way he enter for here. But for that side for appeals court and Lycée for Monico go college side vote it be pass fine and now for yes we governor sesep it be come vote. Oga Bernard Okala Bilai it can now it's a woman and plenty to them where they be there for a corner for say any person where one worry place make it Sabi say security say it be turn fine but Sabi say governor he vote fine for that side so where they call him appeals court for Boya it become in a chap Okala Bila and Ichab now all them to the come for that side so for can see as well the vote it go happen but Sabi say vote for appeals court it work fine. We go left that one now then we take people there now see which way pass for corner side for vote. Sabi say for inside Boya for day for vote attack they be happen as well be talk. Now moto this for that Sopekam as well they call them Cameroon Tribune. Now moto that way it is so gone it be stand up on top his skin. Now for that side, so for my system. Lock is say driver man, bullet, you know, touch and bullet where they shoot am for inside motor. A box, now for front here, now the motor that one that they see and so for inside, where they be go turn for that side, so for mile 16. They be the turn back before the attack it happen where bullet a pass for motor it can boss. Now for outside, so but apart from that one, no person, you know, be get wound and service say some other attack too. It be there for Muya side for day for vote for that side for Muyam. DO for Boya, Kwamo Kampo will be yes a bullet, it be touch hand and it be they carry him, go for hospital, make they go look at it. Now Sabi say inside that big day, some one person they way Congo Sabi don already finish kill am. Now for Facebook, now for WhatsApp. Now Padiman where they call am say Nyat Mase Njifenji, Sabi say Iseseb, and then a president for all Senate people them. Congo Sabi don already finish kill the man so they put it for 6 feet. But it will turn a vote for place where they call am say France, capital for France, when na Paris. Now for they will be vote, Sabi say pa, it no be when, and people they be don't talk, plenty Tori be don't come out say don't die, but pa say be work out with his own 2 foot. A vote for place where they call am say Paris. Yes. Now France, their own Yaoundé, as well we for Cameroon, our own big headquarter. Now Yaoundé. So Panyad Marcel Jifenji, it dey fine. Now we go turn back for talk this palaver for votes will happen. Or guy to him, I go fair ask you whether he votes and so we vote how the place it be.
Unfortunately, I not vote. But the start of the day, the vote be passed fine.
Okay.
As of here. Because one of my brother will be for the other part of SDF. It's a thing that we pass fine. But me, so I know we vote.
Why no be vote?
Well, I know we register in time. They be assure we say if you go vote with ID card. But I be go there, you know, being away till we tell we say if you go vote with ID card. So when I be go there, my name no be come out. So we get to come back for us.
Now, we don't talk this palaver for vote. We happen for Bamenda. We don't talk to Bamenda side to the vote happen fine. Small. For Boya side, we don't see to it happen. Like Cameroon, and what you get for talk for this day we vote be passed?
Well, the two see Boya. I don't say vote for cannot be effective. Because see, I say, you don't see the vote house, we don't see nobody can vote. If people will conduct vote, they even fear for shit for the chair. You see that woman right, he cover his face. I don't say he cover his face, I don't face them, they don't see face, but they take note of him. Okay, you see the whole street of Boya. A day of the army, people be busy. For go vote, but not come on vote because of the conflict way there for the country. So now the deal, I mean, governor and the woman where I say they can't vote. They will always see where the common moto. We not sit down where even go inside the vote for go vote.
No, he vote. And I say we will get for continue the image.
So,
he vote.
You know, say if you only declare the vote will pass fine. I know say like Boya. As we have here saying a triple the vote Boya. No, put the vote Boya.
You hear say?
Yeah, 3 years the vote Boya. But after we have percentage we come say we put the win. Where so primary way saying a triple the go for Boya. For Bamenda 2 be here, only Prime Minister will say a vote. We vote for upstation. The rest of the places will not take place as we are.
All right. Oga Eric, we don't talk all the palaver for vote. You say be vote?
Yes, I be vote. I vote for Douala 4 for Bonaberi side for Kali Mission. I for I be vote. So
the vote be work a fine for them.
For they vote inside my hall they vote. Play a vote, he work a fine because I be stand for the I control so for night. So I see my result before I go back for house.
Okay.
So I feel conclusive for my own side vote be work a fine because na me the person will be choosing I win for inside my hall.
Okay, for your own.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you look the way the vote be passed, particularly for places where fear be done, they come say this so you no go fit for happen, but it happens some kind of way. When you see other places, how you feel for talk?
Me that vote for Boya, me I see and say na government. They succeed for plan where they be plan now. Me they talk say me major they talk say all for say vote pass for all the 10 regions them. Because for Boya, I know if you confirm I know if you open my mouth say they be re-vote. Because all we know say all the whole population for Boya. The one where they don't get money, they dey for bush. The one that get small money or they get some relative the outside Boya for Southwest, they dey either for Douala or for different provinces. Them. So I feel say that I think say that palaver for Boya. Na administration for Boya, na administration for CPDM don't vote that day. Governor, you know, a woman and a family, commissioner them, SDO them, commander the brigade them. So now only administration where things they don't vote for that day because go we hala for Boya. I'm not sure say normal man will feel come that day for Boya because we get
you will no get Ketu them for your corner.
Well, you will not get Kutu. You hear going you come out because even as Na Dio.
Dio.
Even Dio where they shoot it. I be some information we come say probably around give 30 guidance for all Dio them for Southwest and for Northwest. So if bullet don't take place away, you get police people around it. How for me poor man where I don't get no man for guide me. Man come go vote. So I know say that thing where they represent for we na fake. No vote no happen for day. Na some group of friends them they go organize vote for day because they even say and say for that video they say and say people them for elect and say they cover their film they don't demark them. It mean one thing and now one of the people they never show that people they even show on that table they write that thing and say they organize vote na put them for elect. Because if na person wey don't take accreditation for organize election, no get for I don't know why they get for hide the face. He get for organize the face. He get for suppose say organize his election and be fair.
Now, apart from say more come up for Southwest, Northwest we palava be the way people they no be check for say vote if you pass for day. Now, when you look the way the vote happen, it shall be say before vote be one pass, one start. We get a person like Akere Muna we because he want join force with Cabra with Maurice Kamto. But last a paper be so be for all sides. Elect Kamto say he come late, but plenty people they don't argue for talk say elect can be get phone wait for call all the people there for talk to me they come out Akere Muna a paper. So when you look that kind of one, if you say some small magumagu be there.
Yes, na plan where they be organize them because Akere Muna be declare himself. Say no, we present himself again for election. Say he go join Kamto his site. So we be normal. Maybe the best elect people then because today technology be very easy. You get phone them, you get WhatsApp, you get messages them where you communicate in 1 minute. So information for if you go for all the whole country. So na elect can be get right for move that Muna paper for table because even for player vote I be very shocked. Time they open paper them I see 4 people them where they vote for Muna because the paper be there on top. That means they go vote so they don't be get the information. Mm-hmm. So I be that 4 people if for Bonaberi now that 4 be there it means that the whole country the plenty where they make that mistake. So na very big plan where Eleka and CPG the organizer for make come to a number no go up but we see wait.
Now alright so you know be there for time when the thing happen but as I be say for Saturday be there. You be the follow to where they happen for Cameroon small. This palaver for Muna a paper way it be so be for Saturday they vote. You be check say normal I be get for common.
Well, you know we support but the resignations will be too close. The wife you know be resign in time. He resigned very short time. But not whether for but we will hear say no come here not be out. So I will always call for no to take place where they will be come here on the 6th for watch the vote day on the 7th. It is not be too close. Where if it makes say that convention will come. Normally, if people still resign, no people come for the vote table. Yes, if people don't speak more the vote table because everybody resign, say not get to be. And when they put, they can only for create confusion. And we just create confusion because like people try to talk now. So because now message you go for 1 second, you don't finish the whole place. So one does that through phone, through WhatsApp, through internet, and so on. So, but I see talk say election will be too close with the day for election. Yes.
Now you check say. If to blame one commode, the blame go for Akere Muna say he talk say no go enter for the palaver late or na say the elect people that say they begin forget that blame say they no act fine because the man be send letter for them tell them say I don't come out I don't join Hamu Maurice ABC now get forget the blame now.
No, the blame get to be now for the elect because as $5 later even though I talk say we give the decision late. But I blame you come for like as all the times get right information all around the other parts of no say one man run drop. And again, especially as if it declares say make if people they give vote for Kanto and Maurice Kanto. You know, so if people can't get for right for vote for me again, the business people go vote for Maurice Kanto. So Nele can get the greatest fault about it.
All right, and Eric, one person they way as I say maybe that will be here that story. You check see them through the part don't go. Nyat Marcel, we see be the vote for Paris. If you say, you be glad say see day or na say just take them like any other story way they be for Cameroon.
I'd be very surprised because man like that day time I finish vote I go for my post because I see president vote I see video for CRTV president vote I see prime minister vote. I go for my account on Facebook. I ask and say, "Sir, Senator Day." So about 30 minutes time, they send me the video for my phone. I see the vote for France. So I be very glad because dying on a fighting, no man rich man he die. So we'll be glad. But the only thing why they accuse government is because government need to communicate. Because when some authority get some problem or it is on side, government get right for inform the population because they pay impo. They pay all the our money they pay them. So they get right for the inform way. Where did they go sleep? Who say if they know where they go tell you they know where. Who say they go sleep for the hospital they go be. You know be normal say president they come out and the only year say president come on no place they go. We only year say don't come back don't come on. He get right for tell play they go. For play they go sleep. Wait till they make it they go for day. It be normal. Now why that way all that kind of news they come out. Even not only you want get that you used to get that kind of news. Even president say for country. Sometimes they be lost. All man they start talk some kind of thing. So now very nothing. I accuse the government because they get for communicate. When person nowhere, may they come for formation as when it's such a room. When person talk about the captain, they can't cry for media. When person nowhere or he get some problem, when they work inside government, they get right for country for media. They tell you say now they say on a president or on a senator there on a president for senate nowhere. It's for which this hospital. So as in mom if we not see it for hospital. Now say we should don't ask for man.
Some Cameroon and they vex say they like say they no see all them like say they be Cameroon people they say for they take example the passionate man we vote for Paris. You get plenty of them when they come up for southwest, northwest, where they cross go for different sides, and they no be fit for vote. For Sika say no be now for Yaoundé or for Douala they register. But fascinate, they vote for Paris. So plenty people they try for asking a question whether they now say all Cameroonians they no get the same rights.
You know some sense to it talk say now when you play the drum with the nakam, the person with the naga drum, he knock and the way you the style you go dance and fine. So me I know say. All that thing, even Prime Minister, because I hear SDF complains, even Prime Minister for Bamina, no be give a vote for play vote.
You give a vote for Oku.
If you give a vote for Oku, they go vote for different side. So now them organize them. Normally they give a dance. The person they organize and give a make them dance for their own style. So it be normal, but all that thing they will not say opposition party don't take note, and when the moment in front of law they go present them.
Okay, so where would you see talk this palaver? Plenty of Cameroonian them they feel say they know they like they know be Cameroon because it gets as I talk, it gets some one day they come up from northwest. They be there Yaoundé will be get someone for tape. We try for talk say come vote. They tell you say no na for Yaoundé we be register. Say make you go for northwest go vote. But we get this our big pa. We he no be well. He be there for France. He vote for France. We he be don't register now for Cameroon.
That one is really so clearly say the country not define. Because a man of register for Cameroon, they go for France. Because a big man. You know, it be very wrong. Because I still don't talk self. Me, I just come away person tell me say, now place where they knock drum and every person get to dance. You know, people get about drama for you go pick dance for different places. Where you hear the sound fine. So you see, I say the country not they fine. Because by not be support vote. We don't say no well, and this people can say even die. Maybe the only one show is saying I just news say don't die, never die. Therefore, show is saying not die, but not say for Cameroon for France, where they for Cameroon. So it says the country work can find. That I say not just fraud. Okay, see I work as
or if you see the autonomous, say maybe he get two nationality.
Of course, yes. Or if it goes for register for Cameroon, then he can say go France again. But it be very impossible.
I'm not cut you.
Yes, very possible.
I'm not cut you. Government be no say that problem go happen. Say plenty of Cameroonians they know get means for vote, especially the one they for northwest and southwest. So they begin for organize for place where they know say they don't enter plenty like for Bonaberi where they be flop. Normally, Eleka begin for go for the. Kind people they don't come out southwest and northwest. Look the way they will feel votes even for that Bonaberi. Then send their result for southwest. Because if Nyat, the permanent Nyat and Prime Minister, they vote for Premier support for vote, they be make them for all Cameroonians because no Cameroonian no get right past the other one. All will be the same. All will get one birth certificate. Or no Cameroonian will get two birth certificate. Except they will come for phone major TV say then they be special Cameroonian, they will not be special. So they begin right for do and two for people that they wonder war for Southwest and for North. When they vote for any side, they be free vote. So now very wrong mistake, wrong thing way elect can do and way you go catch them.
All right. After we vote, it pass. Another Tory come up for up. Now who be send the white man them, this other them, we even face self in the show saying attire people them. We go enter for this transparency palaver too. We talk this arraignment for this afternoon. Sabi say after we vote don't finish pass. Now for they way Transparency International SSF, they wake up, they talk say they no send them no man. Now them that where they should done then says they be talk say they be people that way they don't send them, may they can look votes for inside the country. After where they make meet up with the Tory people them for Yawinde for talk say votes inside Cameroon, it pass fine and no nothing no be happen apart from small pungu where it be pass for different side them. Say votes it don't work a fine for inside Cameroon. And Sabi said then say they show their badge, say they be people them for Transparency International. One time big organization too for outside it deny say it dey so Transparency International no send no one eye man inside Cameroon for council as we vote it be happen. Now for this we will start for dig underground we try for understand say some company they where they call them say Agence Presse now for inside Cameroon company where they make them only for June some few months before vote for Genyon Kunkuma happen. Now them they bring the people them but how they manage get transparency name now the question that way person never feel for understand and so to them they is also ask that question who bring the people them and how they enter for inside country so they be look at them like big people them for outside. Man, he never fit for answer that question. Sabi say since that time self, we never hear any talk for Grand Tango. We never hear any talk for Ngomna Togban, Isa Chiruma Bakarim. Sabi say all the time, now them don't the social talk, palava for vote, palava how will people they no get for over hala for outside, they no get for make trouble. If after we vote results, it go come out by so now, we never fit for hear anything. Transparency International don't deny. And the case is also there for the Sabi say people then like Maurice Kamto, they do already talk say they go carry Grand Tango and even National Tory House or Court for Sika say they talk for people them pom palava this Transparency International. Now, Oga Eric, this story for Transparency International, it make them again plenty people they start asking a question. This our vote, how it go last on be?
Yes, this result for votes, that one again don't show we say the result will come out, be result will be fair. Because if chief don't start, because it be normal. Say so organization, a international organization, will form a whole group, can put up for phone Cameroon and them, lie them, send a person in that way that they represent so and so group. After we discover and say other people been fake people them. So if I ask that the transparency don't declare and say no that they be name that they send that people them. Now government receive them because they take flight, they give them visa, and embassy for Cameroon give them visa, so they feel no play they come and who invite them for Cameroon.
You should say that people themselves they know be people that they eat or fish or down beach where they just the tonton for down beach they enjoy.
Even the chop fish for down beach, but I say na foreigner them because no man.
A wine man they full up for you.
Yeah, but na foreigner they even a wine man they stay for you, but na foreigner them. We know say they don't ask visa for enter Cameroon. They don't go for embassy. So who invite them for Cameroon? So it be very simple. Make government not talk say they don't know about it. I be surprised because no man talks in that way that it's not come out. And see Choroma can't talk. And see Atanganji he can't talk. And see none of them. But I already hear a time when Moise come to go talk for Monday.
Say don't win.
You know if he don't win, say don't shoot it. You don't shoot the ball. You don't enter net. All man go for media. I see some people they don't be get right for before, and they see president for civilian party to talk. And they see communication when they not be big candidate for election, but they go stand for media talk. I will be very surprised. So if I don't start and all the whole command they see have been a very game with a long plan and because they see the company where it be
the company where they just open
3 months ago.
Yes.
And just 3 months before election, so the show is na some plan way don't be very, very planned.
Because for even a big person for Transparency International for Cameroon, it deny.
Yeah, it deny. I hear interview deny. So if I as opposition party don't take note, I hope say one of the argument that way go see support this result for election will come out.
Okay, it's where this palaver for people there where they come outside they can look as we vote happen where you don't turn bina and say na magu where they take and enter for country.
You know turn like magu already magu did it. Because you see if now like black man then they probably arrest all these people so now people they deserve prison. Yes, if I say no be say now they because now the people if it's also now people the government now they invite them to come. People the government invite me they come. For country because you cannot see transparency so if you bring them first of all just because say now only you want the day where different vote polls the day I don't know when they don't vote finish or go give them and they will count the vote for giving out the result You see, so it's already big fraud that we did it. A big fraud. If I put a deserved prison, this one might say so deserved prison because nobody invited. And if they be invited, but now people are actually maybe the government know. Minister of Communication don't talk nothing because they say get hand into it. Because not enough for pass way no. I think you know if you talk again because saying no say they put a cam job for cam black full we say okay they don't say international people can make the vote be transparency. So when we see I say fraud already there for the vote we pass, and if we not be very careful, we know we only press say Moya result could be. If people go tired for bear with the result or who could be the winner.
Now, no cut you just for Sabi say only for Sikadi case and Palava for vote. We get plenty complain them where Constitutional Council it don't take them for a office. Sabi say total na 18 case them where Constitutional Council complain them where Constitutional Council don't take them for people there they don't talk. One of them a commoner for Beten Kisop. Two way the funny people them plenty. Now say Beten Kisop it dey for Insa Ngata for Kondengi, but he also send his own complaint for Constitutional Council. Iwan he get 15 complaint that we send them for Constitutional Council. Then we get even Reverend Rigoberto where SSF send his own complaint. Then other people then too they so they be matter for inside the vote. Maurice Kamto he send complaint and Maurice Kamto his own complaint where we enter for inside. He talks everything made the council result for 7 out of the 10 region them for inside Cameroon for Sika de Magumagu way he pass for that side and for other people them like Cabral Libi and OC Joshua too them too they send their own complaint for Constitutional Council. They talk now say make the even council now all the election them for Sika say plenty Magumagu it be passed for the but Constitutional Council too it don't give time for election for talk. When election go finish talk Sabi say big man for election say talk yesterday say vote for country it work a fine say no patch no be there all thing happen fine. Constitutional Council say goes it don't start shit on top people there they count vote they don't shit on top now 15 days they be get them for give it as a result it pass. Now where we don't get other complaint guy he sure even as we some people they will talk say they did just play na play on top we had they did just play you check the Constitutional Council go shit down he count all that vote then he talk say or maybe he hear the complaint then he hear any of the complaint them they no go put them for one side.
They no fit cancel the vote aside the election of be cancelled as I see because normally as complain over plenty and most na the people wey dey vote wey dey be contest for the presidential election na they don complain plenty. But wait if they begin to cancel the election, they go just say no, better make they give the best way. Because if they can't be cancelled now, who could rule? How long they could start the election campaign again? I know that long start campaign again. But what we did there, you see everything they clean and clear say the ones the ruling party wants still fraud for let's say they connect to themselves again. Because I don't know what to be wrong because a man like a big man. Me I call him my papa is school of village, my madam, Mr. Porovia. I saw they call my village Porovia. You see, with the number of years we don't stay for this seat, if they be make election again this year, then this year and say so nobody don't winning. I don't see why they could want for fraud again inside it. And you know say so many people they even they talk so much about their party, their party. You see, so for cancel the election, I don't know if they cancel now. Which time again? Because if this country will be a good country, with the crisis will get the Anglophone, the two regions they don't for continue election. They suppose cancel the election before time because they make the country be in peace. Okay, look at now. So many Cameroonians are there for refugee in Nigeria. They don't vote. You will be coming people also show you come out. So you have a common aside. Now people don't vote for you. How you manage if you win?
And the thing show paper for SDF.
Yes, people are OC, so they're not people can contest. Yeah, not like OC, not support contest. Just not support contest for the election. Because in some way with the camp plenty, all people they say bush. So one day for different side for refugees. So the thing is just be shocked person for say two way they have for this country. You know correct. Not just correct.
Okay, yes. This order complain them and judicial photo the image for Northwest and Southwest will be enter for some place on Northwest and Southwest after the day for votes. Now Monday it be then at the normal country Sunday, but we don't hear about all the complaint that they talk. You check say true. The people that when they do for Constitutional Council the fish don't hear the complaint them. If the complaint they make sense, they fit do any of the thing that the people that they want and say me they do.
Me I know say since we they don't organize presidential election for country. I never ever hear say the cancel on election for Cameroon. They start and back. So no na the one way I should say they go cancel.
So you know check say history fit happen.
But as the Constitutional Council the first time they organize it.
Now the first time she don't.
Yeah, now the first time officially we she don't for that kind of decision. But you are the fear, I say, because I'm a president for CPGM.
No, but even na the person appointee, the fees also get right. If the talk say the man no na win, automatically they no go lose their chair. So they get for be open, transparent. That's what they talk.
You know, say for Cameroon, the power get power pass up on executive power.
You know me.
And the executive power, let me talk.
You know me.
You know me now. And the executive power, now President Paul Biya Roland. So love to take decision. But I know say all big decisions that they take them for Yaoundé before they want to take them. The first come up for it 2G. Now so the first come up for it 2G because all that people that they did for that court, the people they win president for CPGM nominate they put them for there. So
Chief Justice.
Person never put you for some chair.
You get some people that they feel quickly.
But if you move you, yes.
Give me one man on way. Don't tell you one day. Probably I don't tell you talk so you go talk na different. Tell me one man. We never come on. All we do not the same country. We not country turn. So me, I know say.
Eric, I did try for talk say.
Yes.
Try for you to talk.
Yeah.
If the thing get for B so, and the people they say get for B so, then the talk say na so you get for B.
Yeah.
The sabi say if the one a comot, another person go enter where they go also save their job. Na lie.
No.
So it means say the people they get for do their work, where they get for do one.
But for Cameroon, we know our system. We know our system na dictator. For French, they call and say na one man talk. Dictator.
Na one person they talk.
Yeah, for French, they don't say c'est un pays dictateur. So na one man they talk with the year. So me no lie we. We know see that result, that period they do for this, so they don't get 100% liberty for take their decision there. For all sides, where they enter even inside assembly, even for senate, even they enter inside court them, they need to take decision 100% for some level. Okay. Some they must declare your own first before your own decide. Prove now waiting. If you only see as account, they the whole accounts with them. Sometimes the way we used to go complain for mayor for day. It tell we say no, the one when I talk and say not enough my level. Na Yaoundé get for decide on a delegate na delegate government delegate. So when the mayor when are you voting, me fix your town. When you show somebody just on the one no my level na Yaoundé get for call me make am or my show employee they go for make am.
Government delegate.
Yes. I don't see. No, you even talk now waiting. We don't see even what means that they come for village. We tell and say pa one school. One so then we can't read them for your phone speech to one time. You go see the minister go hook up, go tell you see don't yet way, we don't ask them.
Then you take and go up.
They don't they ever talk say go take and go up, you try you show for power for Yaoundé.
Na normal talk.
So it means say and you know say all it happen for all villages. You know say you have for all villages.
All right.
So now a very demonstration that they show you say all thing come on na Yaoundé.
Okay, we go lock chapter for vote with the weight. Just as we the weight, me too at the weight. For see as we the team the Wakam. We go enter for different sites. We talk this palaver for Northwest Southwest. Dongamen for prepare for all Anglophone general meeting in the past. Inside this week we will be finish and we will see person we can she done for almost them people they are up. Fide them. Christian Cardinal Tumiwe na SSF, he bring the idea, he be she done. Right Reverend Funky Samuel, big man for all Protestant church and too, he be did him. And general, wait till they talk. Christian Cardinal to me to say go up, come down. Say down Dongamen, it must to happen for inside Boyam. 21-22 day inside November moon, now we go happen. And the talk 32 million plus. Now we they go use a man over talk plus. 32 million at the ask other money for back where they go use them for this Ndongamen. And they don't try for talk 17. This all Anglophone arrangement, no be na palaver for politics, na palaver for see. As where they go help for say make this confusion for Northwest and Southwest. It stop. So they don't talk say 21-22 day inside November moon. Now way this so they go happen and the meeting it happen for this money where they go use them for look other meeting. They say any Cameroon way get good heart if he give own small money, but they go make fundraising them for see as well they feel make money for that side. Now this idea for Christian Cardinal to me or guy to him, plenty people they don't talk, even as well they talk. But he don't talk saying a God, he don't send them. How you see the things? I be say we get people there that we don't deny say you know if it happen.
You know, say this meeting is supposed to take place since where there be council for Boya. The Senate for radio talk now so. And last time we don't talk on this particular meeting. So the meeting will take place after the election, it will be of no importance again. But if as Cardinal talks so, you know, say Cameroon respect of God. If they be respect of God, man like Cardinal told you know, in a way if he talks something, they get to play with him. Even a President Paul Biya support take us serious. Mr. Paul Biya if Cardinal talk, he must hear for him, for obey. If they be respect of God. But if they make it take now on the 21st and 22nd to talk for Boya, if he could bring a solution or peace, because we don't know, because we get a little rumors say after the election, we don't know what I could look like. So now the country people was started what we did today, they may not even get time to take place again. You see, last time we thought say the meeting was supposed to take place before the election, so that they could talk about peace in rain. But now you take after the election, we don't know what things will look like. You see, I know what things will look like.
Okay. Eric, this Ndongamen for all Anglophone conference for Boya site. Cardinal don't so not comfortable. Sabi said they don't talk say no fee for Boya. They never give authorization. But Cardinal thought say it must to happen for Boya. 21, 22 day for inside 11 moon.
Yeah, I'll be here about the meeting. Because the mayor for the town, he came out, I be listening interview with the denies of who for a town. So me and Alicia and saying that meeting, you know, solve problem where the one find mixing for Twitter. Because you know if you get wound, normally for 3 years when you get for Star Washer.
But if you be the all Anglophone thing for Star Wars,
you go all Anglophone and day. Napoleon that. Who said Anglophone and day? Anglophone and day houses them for Bonabere they hide. They for Nigeria they didn't have bushes they hide. Who said and day? Una the organized meeting. Organized meeting men are be there. So for me, thing they begin for study because for no show that Anglophone they don't they for bush where they didn't have houses them for Bonabere for Nigeria they show them love. Say come on and they love them. They begin for go towards them. Since we are there for Bonabere, they see Anglophone they come out every day for Star West. They don't even get place for sleep. I never see no mayor, even mayor for Bonabere. I never see go down. Even can ask and say who people they even come for some quarter. Come and say they find people them where they don't come out Star West. I never see them. They don't like go for major. They talk to them. Go for Bonabere. You say Anglophone they suffer. They know they sleep for girls here. They don't get place for sleep. Some my friends they get three Anglophone people them for the house. We don't know them. They take them for girls here. It's so they can put them for your house. They don't know say Bonabere don't flop. Na very big area they make them. So may they go now. Normally they begin to go see the people they very the first people they be afflicted for the situation. That mean you don't forget matter with me. Once of I go come see you. I can't see you. I'm not going to go see my mommy or my papa. I go see sometimes chief for your village talk say I go get a rice for you or I want solve your problem because you know we solve no problem. Chief go take and shit on. What did the show? We say chief and you on a day one. So make them go towards the population. Then show them love. Give them love for come back for their zone for bring peace. Because still the inside people they are picking their way. They don't get play for sleep now. So na different thing because every day we talk with them.
Like you sabi say you talk say me they bring them. You sabi say this also happen for ground. So they happen for Northwest. So this palava for fire and other small things. So no fee talk for them. Say me they go show peace. If they show peace, it means all man get for keep. You shake and shoot for ground.
Yeah, they go for shoot. Now what I told you, they go for start because if population, South population, come on one, they don't say no. Me that even that people they call and say I'm a terrorist or that they don't give them. We they hold gun them. We don't take gun them. Even population hook up against them because no revolution no the way population. If you make a revolution, population no you will fall. You see, if some revolution if stay, it means some population live with you. They support you. So no revolution no deal with don't make them. Population no deal with them. He succeed. Population must be for your back. If government, these people then because where they see them, so you know say man of end, I don't end up with them because I know you know as a thing in the past.
They don't talk say no me na political team.
No na political team.
They never join hand na their own sense where God don't put them for the idea they don't bring them. You see whether they feel you sabi where they happen for Congo.
Now the way forward the meeting.
No, the very mission.
They not be talk say no in a political thing.
Political team.
Most of them they in a political they decide also.
Even they do for fun, politicians and they do for their back. They do for their back, they hide.
I know who they push them for. Maybe they make you go.
So, I don't know. I don't man no coach you. I don't know who say Peter Mafangi man in own team they don't go because they very obviously they get them for bring peace for Southwest. They need to talk about them. Now too many people they say now doctors now because they love God. All will love God. Okay. They make the talk, make the meeting a big reasonable way when you hear it makes sense.
All right. So we go close that chapter. We take on we see condition now. We go enter for inside quarter. Then just now we go for upper Mao, lower Mao. Now for Limbe for talk palava condition for where we picking them for government primary school lower Mao. They learn na road that way they go for school. Na small food roads where they enter for school. That one they already tell you say that school it go surely be now for some place where they don't just leave them. Also they enter na the school that government primary school Mao for that side. So for Limbe now for Calabot Idem. And this school also the talk na school where don't they make 100% all time for exam. Picking they learn fine. But the condition for school it is some kind of way where even papa themselves where they the same picking them for that school they hear bad. First for climb hill so they meet up Surrey school then a problem. Then for the picking themselves for learn fine put their book put their head for book. Now another problem for seeker say conditions self you know they even for that kind of strong condition picking the pass book fine. Now whole way with the same social block or social calabot. Place he just the empty way even snake self if he pets he enter he bite picking but we know the prayer for that kind of thing for happen for the picking the way they so they the social learn even as so the thing they no gum nothing he never enter for that place or show say now them they don't do all thing na good heart people them for outside and say na whether all cheer them you go see na the person give so now all them so now for join hand for see as where this school go start headmaster own officer self as so go can show na BB shame na inside headmaster officer don't enter so if we show na say headmaster for that school self the she done na shame for seeker say headmaster no even get a better chair he the manage chair na headmaster offices as well the say so na headmaster offices no better thing no dey for inside but they picking the social pass na the question how they answer whether early they know they for Limbe or na say as when government talk say lower Mao on a take government school he too just move his hand he talk say don't do question we don't ask them and we hope say government he go try for answer we and even early then say they go wake up join hand for see as we they go fix that school okay it's where government na forget school he forget he let population for continue or na forget school he help them small then PTA to enter for them.
You know, any village or any country we want development, you want name, and government to give it a name, or give it a development. You know, where Cameroon government, when they open school like we, for village, when they say, okay, I don't open government school fair. Maybe if they try, if they make small beauty, but then if you follow for know whether teachers will go for that school, or for see how picking will be very paid for that school. Okay, see a whole government school is a shameful thing. For big town and Limbe, so picking they not get share for shit, or Emerson not even get a table set for shit on top. So now very shameful thing with the Cameroon government. You see, and so people also go the price, okay, government don't give me secondary school my village. A job approval. They not do nothing. Picking the column for side, teacher the come for side. So now I put about the first time for most of our villages then. Even like my village, because we are school where they be open now, even our people they don't be put hand. The school not for existing today. When you don't buy so pity go, you see the calling bell, so now we go make job, mammy they will enter for bush, they go levy mammy, then levy man picking them for pay money, only make the be one bench for teacher, or where they be all master in office. So this thing they all over. Berlin, when the old big town, it be shameful. We not put up for elite. At least if you come one open school for some particular village, make your Zuma.
Yes. If you be in the early then to the ask for the school, so early then to the
yeah, then I don't talk say people that want development. It's just say people that want post, they know a responsibility. Early they ask okay, they need school, maybe picking everyone can be far for go for primary school. They don't get enough school. They even ask government approval because they write in a letter. They must choose system the school may function very well. It's a very shameful thing. You see? I'm open my number I say not in a very big village where we was elite. And they know come up because in Limbe, they know come up for different side for Kaopu school. They call about the elites for the village. For the village.
Okay. Okay.
And when you see everything they donated by Africa, donated by these friends, these African friends, everything not to say government give them. We not even sign but say
government don't give school.
You know. You only give school a private live and so.
Maybe very technique say because when government give school, they give building. Even benches, they give. They give what they call for friends decree. They give some communicate on decree. Yeah, na decree.
Yes. They make a budget.
No
budget no school. They make
no budget no day.
No. There is contractors for cancel the place. They make a budget for build the school. There's some place after rumbling and so they just go.
No, that one I really talk. No, that's what happen for normally for Cameroon. For Cameroon, when I get for appeal, when I just in one school for na place. Now when you reach now for Yaoundé give a decree, so they don't give a school. That means they don't recognize say una get for government school or GBHS or GTHS. That's what they happen.
Or primary school.
Yes, because they don't get and so now they buy land. Now they buy now the BT in the PTA, the top PTA, government no PTA. Go for any school, give money for PTA, whether you go Yaoundé, let go Yaoundé. Now for build on a school, now for fix on a school. Una even plan on the buy am. So no the way government dey give am, because even where they go for my village, they be give some secondary school. Now we will give land. Now we go cut tree, move plant them, soil plant them, can't build the school, can't fix them. While early they will go scratch them. They give small money, they will make benches them, put them for school. That's what they happen for all sides. So the fit talk said government they give school for a population. Now Cameroonian they give school for their picking them. Because if you've been approached there when a government they give like road, when government give road, they give contract or contract. They follow the contract. While the contract don't finish, they deliver the machine. So when they give school for some place, normally a government will be responsible. They go for follow up the school. They go for build the school, put benches them. Now turn us up, we don't do one for our own level. We have to continue if picking a camp. No be for Cameroon we do 2018. You see that kind of school for Limbe. Then you expect you go see that kind of school for town for Cameroon. You expect you win election.
Very shameful thing.
Then you expect for win election for the village, or you go stand for major so you don't win election. Now very bad image for Cameroon, and a very bad image for show say you don't win election for that kind of zone.
But we no check say even if government never do, you get people them limbe, whether na the village, you know, come for the village, limbe, we no check say even the people they do for big places. They fit check say okay, this school they fit join here, they fit make something that is help all small village for inside for see how the school will grow.
Ambassador, may I tell you, even when I say people like Kinos when I really try go get the kind of image. You want to say CRT in future kind of image one day for people to see. Now government they don't feel ever show them. They don't feel show them. They could always show maybe as it be like you or the announcer say part of the other give this kind of thing for this village where the job announcer so many man no say don't do them. And people go the class. They no go make follow up. Or even say go to our drums. CPD, I mean, SMS, I don't know if can image one day. If not, now, like, you know, so people na show things the way you work for the country. So that people begin take note. You see? So, which way would you see us on a very shameful thing for this government? What they now?
For 2009.
It's very shameful.
Not only for Limbe. Now, the situation where all Cameroon face them. For 2009, for Sang Malima, Pobia has day for Sang Malima. We don't be like in the state. For you to come, but they can't sleep. School for day, now I say a year, because my mama Sang Malima woman. School for day, if fall for picking their skin. For 2008, for some village, Mukong, my mama village, if fall for their skin, when they didn't start class, school, they have to start the bend because they make another mud now. That potato will have been the bend so bend to go picking the didn't start class. Then boys just come some morning time so wind pass the school collect for picking. Log say picking no one picking no die but they get wounded. For poor be own place that kind thing and day. Then for side they don't know it. That one it go be the worst. So me I'm from an office now they face that problem. They for all side for Cameroon.
A general problem.
But me don't know say any man to get his own way for eradicate his own right. So if Anglophone man eradicate his own right, they go stand for the talk. If me and the government she don't answer us, I don't get for blame the other man. Any man they get his own style.
Yeah, because we sabi so it's also for Palava school, but also school for Marwari. Yes. Now only two stick they stand up them picking the learn for under. So they will breeze it can be blow. School no day that day. Except they don't fix that school.
And you go see that kind of school. What time election for put Geo the mayor and deputy they will start. You will see another the wrong go put pen for that for the wrong go yes. The wrong go put pen for them. The wrong go take Benjamin. Call Canada. Call.
No, we need to call people their name. Tory housing. No one.
Call their major. The way they like for show them. The way they do find that kind jumbo in them. Because jumbo you give me a give.
Okay.
So person will like a country. That village na for check.
Okay. We don't finish story for this afternoon. No turn or talk or till we get for talk, but we don't talk small thing will be important. So now for saying we could see as we come to the go for before. Oga Smith, thank you plenty for your time and I hope so will meet us other time.
Yeah, thank you very much for your invitation when I give me. I will say any other time when you invite me when I get time I'll show up.
Today, you'll be turn man. Eric, thank you plenty too for your time.
Thank you, Ambassador. I know say many other president for talk after this story. Oh, come on for here. But I want get all my Lord don't listen to me so till the end of this program. And may the only thing we wish and say may peace be for the country. Say even changes one be may be inside peace.
All right, thank you plenty, Francois Dekoumen, I put Likunglas for all we face this afternoon. Thank you to Various, na be they pull with sound and they make people they look with for outside. Malice, it be the hell we for see as people they follow with you for Facebook, for live, and after said we put them for YouTube. Thank you. Nadine Guafo, na be the Iron Woman we day for back all the imagery sound the show now for this afternoon. Ambassador go turn back for Monday for a normal time, 8 o'clock, 1 o'clock. They make you na sabi say if you miss program 8:30 for some time, you feel so look for Sunday. For me, na sote for Monday, on a whole I'm tight for outside.